production scientist, professionally a soil scientist, under land use management. I work with projects under land care, and I also work the whole district assessing soils for the projects that are to be implemented. I have joined for subject matter specialist and have become a winner today, and I'm very excited about it. My job is to do soil surveys, assessments, research, presentations of the findings. Sometimes I also mentor interns and have presented the work on conservation agriculture that we are implementing in Nkanga at Libode in Nyandeni municipality. I feel so excited. Well, I wasn't expecting, but it's so exciting, and I really hope that I'll come out with something from the provincial competition.